Yes, my people, we are back. Episode 2 of Iron Sharpening Iron. We're at Fierce Gym today in Wolverton. Such a good setup. The people in there are so blessed. Everyone kind of just gets on with it, which is always nice to see. The layout is sick. But yeah, today we are working out with Jack Paice, otherwise known as Jackie Wham. This guy's serious about his workouts, man. So he led today. So I'll do my best to obviously leave the bits in when he's talking about why we're targeting this muscle and what we're doing. But in a very good session, very sick session. It was good to get pushed like that as well. So hope you enjoy it. I actually boiled it on this one because Pace done, I think it was 4 or 5 reps at this weight. And obviously me being me, I didn't press record. So I done him injustice there, so I will hold my hands up. But yeah, he done a strong 4 or 5 reps off camera, and then obviously I had to just do 2 to show you lot levels.
What do you want? 3, 4, say? Huh? 4. Huh? Try it.
Let's see how this goes.
Yeah, boy. Come on. Come on. One more like that. One more like that. All the way. All the way. Come on, bro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good. Moving in the right direction. You look good, John. Lovely stuff. You look good. Go on. Oh, well, you had that. Huh? 9. No, I'm at 9, that's fine. So rep up from last week, so I'll take it. It's the other thing with me, like, well, I just go 1 rep each week. I'm seeing progress. Little progress, otherwise, why not too much? I'll set that out, my body weight's not going up. I'm not getting stronger. My coach was like, okay. We went through my check-ins, went through each step, and said, look, you're making progress here, here, and here. You're making little wins, take them. Yeah. So you feel better. And since I've done that, my head's been straight and I just want to lift.
Little thing. Let's see how this goes.
Yeah, boy, do you want to lift up or you got it?
I'll try.
You got that, light, come on. Yeah, boy, straight through, yes. That's it. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on now. Now we're working. Yes. Stronger. It's like 11 reps. Man. Outlifted me. You're all good. Yeah, boy. Feel like you can fly after that.
Yeah, literally.
tip to remember. This is when you're doing pull-ups. So put your chest to the sky. So that's how I remembered it. But obviously, if you're simple like me, just do a little chest to the sky, you're flying. Yeah, you want a big back, get your chest up. These lat pull downs, that handle at that gym had my back doing a madness. In a good way.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, serious.
That's the one.
Like,
Love that. Yeah, big stretch come through. Yeah, well done. Nice. Big squeeze, big stretch. Well done. Yeah, nice. Leave it on 10 for me, please.
I felt nice. I felt nice.
It's a nice little
What do you need that?
20 and a 10. So I do 8 to 12 reps here. I'll take a spot.
Incline.
I'll tell you. Huh?
Incline.
Incline, yeah. This is a very high incline to really target the upper shelf. So you'll feel it in a little bit in your shoulder.
Yeah.
That's okay, because you're still basically trying to target like up here.
Alright. Show the camera.
Show the camera in what way?
Oh.
Oh! Where's the camera? Oh, this is here. So we're going to put our high incline, try and target our upper shelf up here. Making sure that this part here is nice and juicy, so that when we stood there, come out and down, so it's top, and then nice and big up here as well. Wow. 7, 8 reps, easy, and then I'll go sharp. Now you got more than 4 here.
I hope so.
Yeah, like. Sit. 1, 2, 3. Take the tens off, yeah?
God have mercy upon us.
I'm abnormal, mate. Don't worry about it. Yeah, that's it. We're working now. Come on. That's it. Keep working it. Keep working. That's it. Come on. Yeah, good shit, bro. It's 20. You'll be doing that more.
Yeah.
Happens
that's
a lot of
nice.
time.
That is nice. Because I saw your hands there, and then when I was lifting it, I said to myself, I'm
doing it for me.
Yeah.
Nah, never. Strap up before you slap up every time. You wouldn't do it.
I'll make sure that beat.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit.
Oh, Jesus, fuck.
That's good.
Inside, yeah. Higher, a little bit higher, maybe higher. More like there. Good angle to your arm then.
Oh yeah, let's take a turn off. let's take a turn off too.
That's it. Big. That's the one. Try and drop the shoulder a little. Try and drop the shoulder a little, the shoulder. Keep it locked in and then drive in. Yeah. We'll drop the weight and then I'll show you.
See how this is.
That's it. Strong. Hold on. Yeah, come on. Nice. All the way through. Yeah, cool. Well done.
Lovely stuff.
Got it. Come on. Yeah. Good stuff. Come on. Yeah, all the way, well done. It's one of the best sessions I've had in a while, bro.
What?
Good session. I haven't had a session like this in a while.
More upright. Yeah, or more.
Come forward a bit more, yeah. Brace the core. That's it. Get a nice stretch in here. That's it. Big stretch.
What it feel?
Bang. I'm gonna heavy, y'all. Nice. That's it. Nice big wide stretch. Huh? Well, one, left or right? We'll drop the weight. Very nice. Do you want to stop? Last one. This is done here.
Yeah, I can't not finish it.
That's it. Want to keep them arms a bit wider. All the way through. Keep that all the way through. Really think about punching that chest and bringing them elbows together. Nope. Oh, yeah. Banging session, bro. Banging session.